everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to IKEA again. I feel like there are too many videos on my phone of us going to IKEA, whether I've uploaded them or not yet, that's a different story. It's not Saturday, it's Friday the 10th of July. There's a lot going on and I look beautiful today. I actually look very beautiful. Please, thank you. I know. Yeah, how are you?
Fine.
Great. I'm actually very impressed with how I look today. I'm not even going to sit here and pretend that I don't look cute. I look absolutely beautiful. Besides that stain on my trousers, I look beautiful.
They can't see that.
There is. I am so tired of being in IKEA. I feel like I've come to IKEA too many times and it's actually not fun anymore. Can you imagine? IKEA is not fun anymore. This is what we're getting. We're gonna get this and this are literally the same thing. The difference is that it has holes at the back, but I'm pretty sure we can just cut those out. Won't look as great, but we can cut them out. So we're gonna get that. I really want to get a glass shelf to put in there, so like our TV box and stuff. And then we're gonna get some legs. We're gonna get these legs. And he's thinking about doors. They have knobs. Should we get knobs as well? These are nice. It's a good knob. This is a good knob too. Don't you just love a good knob?
Not really.
I like a good knob. I do like a good knob, I do. So I'm looking at these lights because I love a cabinet of lights in it. So I think just getting a little LED might look really cute, but I can't find one that I like. Oh, it's in the lighting hall. I want to get lights. Huh? Why? Why not? I'm just enjoying. I'm just here to enjoy life. Here to enjoy life and just do my thing, you know? Get your shoe off the sofa. Look at this. Now we're doing the not so fun part where you actually have to stop browsing and pick it all up yourself, and it's heavy as hell. There's some kids crying, mood, I feel him, I embody that. I always feel very useless at this part because I don't do heavy lifting, so yeah. You're so squishy. Johnny's brought me to Dunelm for some odd reason. That's a cute little fan. This is why you don't bring me to places like this. Ain't that adorable? It's so diddy. What are we getting?
Is that what we're here for?
No, but I don't know why we're here.
Yes, you do. You're acting up for the
You
camera.
never told me. We're here for your sister, but you never told me what she wants.
So you don't want to know?
I'd like to know.
Why do
I'm
you-
wondering the hours of Dunelm. This guy loves Wish. Like,
But I've never ordered these. I don't try
if he could get my engagement ring from Wish, he probably would. He probably
I've got one
can.
saved on
No, don't get my engagement ring from Wish.
You are for it.
I didn't ask. I was just saying.
Yes, thank you very much.
Oh no. I feel accepted. We are back home. We are going to start building. The reason we got a new TV shelf is because I broke the TV. So we bought a whole new TV and a whole new cabinet. And we're just gonna like sort that out now. Hypothetically speaking, we are doing it. Realistically, he's gonna do it. So that's the truth. I'm actually gonna go sort out. I've got a whole bunch of clothes down there that I need to go put in a box. So I'm gonna sit down and do that. Fun times, fun times. Alright. It looks really nice from the back.